Welcome to Spanish Now.
Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the idea of learning Spanish? What if I told you there's a secret that can instantly unlock hundreds, maybe even thousands, of Spanish words that you already know? Sounds amazing, right? Take a look at these words. Attraction in English, attraction in Spanish. See the similarity? That's no coincidence. And here's the fun part. There are hundreds of words like this. So, what's the secret? It all comes down to one thing: Latin roots. Both English and Spanish borrow tons of words from Latin, which is why they share these super similar patterns. When you see an English word that ends in tion, there's a high chance the Spanish version ends in cion. It's like having a built-in shortcut for learning. Here's a quick history lesson. Back in the day, the Latin language influenced a huge part of Europe, including both English and Spanish. After the Norman conquest of England in 1066, even more Latin-based words entered English through French. And since Spanish comes directly from Latin, these two languages ended up with a lot of words that look and sound almost identical. That's why words like information in English and information in Spanish are practically twins. You already know so much Spanish without even trying. And it's not just a few words. We're talking about hundreds of them. Creation becomes
Creación.
communication becomes
Comunicación.
and the list goes on and on. So if you're learning Spanish, start by recognizing these patterns. It's like having a cheat code for your language learning journey. The key to unlocking Spanish? You already have it, your knowledge of English. So next time you see an English word ending in tion, just think cion in Spanish, and you're well on your way.
Información, educación, nación, acción, comunicación.
Ready to discover more secrets like this? Hit the subscribe button and let's unlock your Spanish together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow language learners. See you in the next one.